Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the if, else and the match in Rust. Let's get started. So if and the else in the Rust. Condition must be a boolean. No automatic conversion from numbers can be used as a statement or an expression. So here you can see that we declare the variable with number 7 if else as a statement. So number is less than 5, print this. Else if number equal to 5, then print this. Else print this. So if as an expression if you want to use, then this would be the thing that we can go with that. Okay, so you can see that it's one liner and it's make the code cleaner. No parenthesis required around the condition. If used as an expression, both branches must return the same type. Okay, so here you can see that it returns that whether it's to be a true, whether it's to be a false, if used as an expression. Okay, so we already know that what is if and else statements, right? So moving to the next, which is very important, that is a match, a powerful pattern matching construct compares a value against the patterns and runs the first matching arm. So must be exhausted. Every possible case must be handled or use underscore for the wildcard. Okay. So basically, like we have a let's take an example. Then you come to know about. So first of all, let's comment this. Let's add this function. Okay, save this. So what we are trying to do, run rust compares number against each pattern in an order. The program takes number 3, checks the multiple patterns in a match expression. If 1, print 1. Okay, the number is like currently is 3. If 1, then print this. If one of the 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, whatever it is, print prime number. This happens here because 3 is there and 3 is available here. If between 13 and 19 inclusive, print the teen number. Okay, and the last, otherwise print something else because wildcard for everything else. So any condition doesn't match, it will go with that one. So this is what the match does. Okay, so if I go and just copy and I think we have saved this. Okay, yeah, so let's run this. And here you can see that it's a prime number, so it goes to the prime number section, this one, because number 3 resides in this. Okay, I hope you clear. Now match as an expression. Okay, so like if match can return values, because expression we want the return values, right? So main function. Okay, let's copy and run this. Okay, fine. So what is going on? Rust looks the value of the day, which is 3. Okay, it goes through each pattern in order. Is it 1? No. Is it 2? No. Is it 3? Yes. Then result is Wednesday. Okay, and assigned to the variable day underscore name. Is underscore this is the catch all. Okay, and what it does means anything else not matched above, it will go with there. If day were 10, then it will go with the invalid day would run. Okay, if I go and run this one, it says that the day name is Wednesday. If I go with the this one code, I think this is what we have pasted, right? So yeah, this is when if I go with a 10, so let's take a look. I will with the number which is doesn't exist, we are going to put over there 30 something or run this. So invalid day, right? So this is all about the match. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.